Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Okay, I am fine, thanks. Thank you. Okay, are you ready to learn about the material? Okay, ready. Okay, dear student, today we will discuss several important topics related to consecutive interpreting and note-taking. Introduction. Brief overview of consecutive interpreting. Importance of note-taking in interpreting. Anyone knows? Okay, let's start learning. Here I will share a PPT that's discuss where we will discuss objective note-taking technique, provide practical examples, and provide tips for using consecutive interpreting and note-taking. Okay, what is consecutive interpreting? You know consecutive interpreting? Okay. What is consecutive interpreting? Definition: interpreting after the speaker poses difference from simultaneous interpreting. Typical use cases: A. Business meeting, legal setting. In consecutive interpreting, the translator waits the interpreting waits until the speaker stop speaking before interpreting what has been said. Consecutive interpreting is often used in situations such as business meeting and legal setting, where accuracy and clarity are very important in everyday life, as well as what is important. We have to explain clearly, clear student. Okay, and then the process of consecutive interpreting. And process of consecutive interpreting. Number one, listening. Focus on understanding the speaker message, identifying main ideas and nuances. And number two, note-taking. Techniques for effective note-taking, balancing listening and writing. And three, interpreting. Using notes to deliver an accurate interpretation, maintaining the speaker intent and tone. Okay, here process of consecutive interpreting. The consecutive interpreting process involves their main step. First, listening actively to understanding the speaker message. Second, note down important points with effective technique or note-taking. Third, they use these notes to convey an accurate translation while maintaining the speaker intent and tone. When we explain again, we must be accurate and clear in what in the speaker conveys, understanding everyone. Okay, and then note-taking in consecutive interpreting. Purpose: not help the interpreter remember key points, structure, and terminology during the interpreting process. And through techniques, symbol and abbreviation, use a system of symbol and abbreviation to quickly jot down concept without reaching full sentence. Structure: organized notes is a way that relates the logical flow of the speech, often using columns or a diagonal layer. Key point focus on capturing main ideas, numbers, names, dates, and specific terms rather than every word. Consider develop a consistent system that you can easily recall and use under pressure. Practice. Regular practice is essential to develop speed, accuracy, and the ability to interpret notes effectively. Okay, well, the main purpose of the notes is sequential trust interpreting is to help us order interpreting to store and remember important elements of a speech or presentation. There are several that must be prepared. The first technique, symbol and abbreviation. Using a system of symbols and abbreviation can significantly speed up the recording process. Instead of writing complex sentence, class interpreting can use abbreviation to visually illustrating content. Example: use N for N for lens to N up for increase. Number 2, structure. Organizing notes is a structured manner helps maintain the logical flow of the speech. And 3, key points. Instead of trying to write down every word, but not all of it focus of covering main ideas. Important figures, names, dates, and certain terms. Consistency. We must develop a consistent record-keeping system, which is very important. And number 5, exercise. Though it's everyday, regular practice is very important to improve the interpreting speed, accuracy, and ability to use notes effectively. Understand, guys? Okay. And then structure of notes. Using columns and layout the organized information, keeping notes clear and structured. Examples of different note-taking layouts. Okay, then the structure of the notes is very important to ensure that the information we record is easy to read and organized. We can also use clear columns and layers that will help use as interpreting organized information better. For example, we can use columns for main points, some points, and symbol for important ideas to make it easier for us. Okay, and then common symbols and abbreviation. List of commonly used symbols: N for N for lens to up, and also explain earlier the using symbol and abbreviation can speed up or not taking process. For example, N can be used for N, while can be used for points to. And there are many other symbols or codes that we can use. That's our symbols and abbreviation. And then let's go to the practical note-taking examples. How of note-taking during a sample speech, how to identify the key points and structure notes. Okay, which one? 2. Practical note-taking example. Okay, come on. Now let's look at a practical example of how to take the notes during a speech. Okay, guys, come on. Which one? Okay, Bang Yud. Thank you for the example. And now, after I saw the speech, there was a lot of discussion, which is very important for us to identify the main purpose, the main points, and use the note structure that we have discussed. After the practical of the after the practical challenge and solution, common challenge in consecutive interpreting, managing long segments, dealing with complex terminology, solution, and strategies. Furthermore, there are several common challenges in consecutive interpreting, such as managing long segment and dealing with complex terminology. The solution is for us to always practice regularly, expand our vocabulary, and use effective note-taking techniques to help remember information. Use information technology so that we have lots of things we can use when translating. That's our challenge and solution. Okay, guys, understand everyone? After the common challenge in consecutive interpreting and 10 tips for effective interpreting. Preparation, researching the topic and terminology, active listening technique or to stay focused and absorb information, and clearly ensuring your notes are legible and well organized. Regular practice simulating relapsing to essential skill for us to become an effective interpreting preparation in the pre-K. Number 1. Prepare and research the topics and terminology that we will discuss. Continue the use active listening technique to stay focused, absorb information. Make sure our notes are legible and well organized. Okay, and then tools and resources. Recommended tool interpreting notebook, pens, and recording device. Online research and training program. Okay. There are several tools that are recommended for the interpreting, such as notebook, pens, recording device. Apart from that, there are many online resources and training program that can help to improve our interpreting and note-taking skill. Okay, the last material, conclusion, summary, recap of the main point discussed, awareness of the importance of combining listening, note-taking, and interpreting skill, especially benefit enhance accuracy and efficient interpreting, ensure the message is conveyed accurately and clearly. And let's recap where we discuss. I have seen how good listening skill, effective note-taking techniques, and careful interpreting process can improve the quality of consecutive interpreting. This helps us convey message accurately and effectively, reduce errors, and increase or confident or interpreting. Okay, so how do you all understand we I said about the material? If there's still something you don't understand, please just ask. Okay, which one? Or understand everyone? Okay, good. Maybe that's enough for our meeting today. If there's nothing you want to ask, next week we will meet again and discuss the material. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.